in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension? Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Taylor, 504. For anybody that gotta know, Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow.
This is Art. How many days do we have to build this? I'm sure my guys can handle that. Yes, sir. We can make it happen. Sounds like a plan. Let's do it. Alrighty, thank you. Alright. You know it.
Alright guys, you can see right now, we're working on the monster hopper right now. I wish I could have told you guys about this sooner. I'm filming this right now, showing you guys months after. Unfortunately, we cannot say anything. I'm not lying to you guys, I'm sorry. But I want to make it clear that we are working on it. We've kind of been MIA on social media in the past few weeks, and this is kind of why. This is the whole reason behind it. As you guys know, that Monster just went as a title sponsor for the Lowrider shows, the whole Legacy Tour. And well, we're on board with them. Curry's on board with them. SNK's on board with them. Luxor Wire Wheels, House of Color, and of course, Monster Energy and Lowrider. So I hope I didn't miss anybody on that one. If I did, they are right here. But we are making great progress on this. I just got an update on my cell phone last night, late last night. SNK gave us an update. Everything is painted, body is on. There's a few little changes that we're gonna be making, or they're gonna be making on it, but it looks freaking amazing. I know you guys are seeing this and you guys are probably tossing in a little bit of clips here and there on what's going on, but let me just tell you guys, this is gonna be a clean, beautiful hopper. We're gonna be trying to set this guy roughly right around 90 inches.
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
If we get a little bit more cool, we're happy with 90 inches. This is gonna be exhibition. This is gonna be putting on a show for you guys. But I'm super excited for it. We're working on the chassis. All the guys have been killing it. Manuel did an amazing job on the whole frame. AJ's been on it, Mike's been on it, Vic's been on it, everyone's been on it. So it's been a big team effort. Very excited, very stressed, very tired. We got a lot of stuff going on. Phoenix show just passed. Long Beach is around the corner, and this needs to be done like, yeah, it should have been done. A month or two to build a hopper, like a show hopper. It's a lot of work, and we're trying to squeeze this into our already busy schedule. But thank you guys, love you all. Let me keep you guys updated. News. Oh man, there we go, we're back. Huge news. Odysseys just showed up. We just ordered and got 20 of them. Woo, 20 of them for the monster hopper. It is one step closer. We were trying to figure out what we needed for these, and yeah, 20 of them is gonna be a lot of power, a lot of batteries. Excited for this. We just flipped that frame over. We got the bottom side reinforcing in. We got the top brace in. We're going to be working on the trailing arm mounts. Being that we were kind of in a rush, in a speeding process on this build, ideally we would like to put this car together and test and build it that way. But unfortunately we can't because, well, the car's being painted at SNK right now, and this needs to be over there in a few weeks. And what we gotta do is build everything just very universal. That way when it comes back to us and it's assembled and it's all powder coated and everything, we can make adjustments with stuff that's already there and ideally not ruin the powder coat. Because we're gonna be sending this out to Powder Solutions. We already got the color chosen for it. Got it all approved through Monster and everything. So it's gonna be a little hard because, well, for anyone that's built a hopper, I mean, there's a lot of trial and error on this. And trying to get to set on the numbers that we want it to be set at, we have to kind of pre-think of what we want to do or where and what changes we have to make. So we're having to make universal brackets with multiple adjustment holes on it to make this work properly without having to redo stuff. Hopefully, if all goes well. I mean, it might happen to where we have to grind and, you know, weld a little bit, but hopefully not. Crossing our fingers. But let's get programming. Get back to you guys in a bit. 2 hours of staring at this computer. Here we go. Everything but sneak peek. A set of arms. We actually got 2 sets of these that we got to build up. This is for that chassis that's sitting right there. These are fully cupped 3/16 lower section internal gussets. We still got to build out the outers. Still got to get rid of this ball joint, reinforce the ball joint. Still got to do the outside back plate. Weld this in, and then plate and gusset all this section here.
I told him so.
I thought we were clear.
¿Qué estás diciendo?
¿Qué estás diciendo, güey? Habla, güey.